I'm excited. I'm ready to get this over with.
Same.
And to dance.
Same.
Do you, Andrew, take Brianna to be your wedded wife?
I do.
That's a good answer.
Got it. Got it.
Do you, Brianna, take Andrew to be your husband?
I do.
I can't wait for you, Andy, to enjoy growing old with Brie as much as I've enjoyed growing up with her. I love you. Cheers.
Let's raise a glass to Andy's fantasy football team being as bad as the Titans. The Mets collapsing again this year.
I don't know just how to say it. Just say it. I'm not feeling at my best. It's getting harder every day. But I'm about to break cause I don't know how much more of this I can bear. Pull the plug, new mindset. It's looking like I need a hard reset.
And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. By the authority trusted to me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. And there's time for just one more thing. You ready?
Yeah.
I figured you were. Kiss that girl.
Of the way that wind rolls through the pines in the middle of a rocky top. Summertime, she burns my lips like a whiskey neat. Yeah, she reminds me of Tennessee. Yeah, she reminds me of Tennessee. Yeah, Tennessee.